Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing learning about light. First we were going to be doing for smaller grades, and then we will be going into higher grades such as college and J. So let's learn about light for 4, 5, 6 grades and 7. So these are our objectives. We are going to define light energy. We are going to give the different sources of light energy, and we are going to give the direction and speed of light when it travels. What is light? Light is a form of energy that allows you to see the things around you. How does light allow you to see things, you might ask? So light goes away from the object in a straight line. That's the direction of light. When it hits an polished object, it reflects off and goes to a new direction. When it enters your eyes, you can see the object. That's how how using light you can see the object. What is the sources of lights? They come from a luminous source. It can be natural or artificial. This light bulb is artificial. A sun is natural. As it said, lightning, sun, meteoroid. Artificial candle, flashlight, lamp. Incandescent light. High temperature objects give hot light, and hot light gives due to the temperature of electrical current. Fun fact: due to the property of heating of electric current, you give off light, so that's why there will be a yellowish glow to it. The sun always constantly emits incandescent light to the earth, to all the planets. Without light, earth life will not be possible. This is clear light, luminescent light. It is emit without heat, such as LEDs on forever. Some animals give out luminescent light. Suppose fireflies, that happens to a chemical reaction. CFLs, they had also happens from a chemical reaction. So whichever have not hot, does not make it hot, they and it happens through a chemical reaction. That is true luminescent light. This is a firefly. You can see there is lower abdomen. They produce luminescent light. All animal lights are all bioluminescence are luminescent light. You might ask, how does light travel? It travels in straight lines. No, it doesn't travel in curves. It doesn't go here, it doesn't go here, it doesn't go here. It goes in straight line. Even in a car, you can see that in a headlight, they go straight, not side, not around the car. That's why we have tail lights. Otherwise, if we could go around the car, we do not need to have the tail lights. Light goes very, very fast. It goes 3 to the power 10 to power 8 kilometers per second in a vacuum or without air. It is an empty space, so there is nothing stopping. It's not like sound, where in sound,
10 to the power 8
meters per second. So this is kilometers per second. So that is, we will divide by 1000. And it's not like sound that if we go into water and if we go into solid, the speed will increase. Here it will decrease. Such as it slows down slightly. So tell me in the chat box, what is light, what are different sources of light, and how does light travel? That's it. And I hope you liked my easy way of understanding small grades. Thank you.